Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning and Programming with Chetan. Today in this particular video we will going to discuss about method overloading in Java. My dear friends, in a previous video we have already discussed about overloading concept in Java programming language. So overloading means ability to take more than one form, which means that same function can perform differently in different situations. For example, in our mobile phone we have on off button. When we are pressing this button, then it is getting on, and when we are pressing the same button again, then it is getting off. It means that same function is performing differently in different situations. Now my dear friends, let us start with the first topic. What is method overloading? When a class contains multiple methods with same method name and they are having different parameters or argument types, then it is known as method overloading. In method overloading, method call is associated or binded with class reference at compile time only. That is why it is also known as compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism or early binding. Now let us discuss about the need of method overloading in Java programming language. So my dear friend, let us consider that method overloading concept is not there. Then in that case, we have to create multiple methods with different names. All these methods are performing an addition operation with multiple arguments. But here you can notice that these methods are having different names. So it is reducing the readability of our program. Now let us consider the same situation with method overloading concept. We are having three methods with different arguments, but here you can see that all the methods are having same name, but they will perform different operations. So for all the similar type of operations, we can use same name. So this is also an advantage of method overloading in Java, that is, it increases the readability of our program. Now my dear friends, before discussing about the rules for method overloading in Java, let us first discuss about methods in Java programming language. So as you can see that in our method we have two parts, method header and method body. Let us first see method header. So inside method header we have public, static, int, max. So here public and static are modifiers and these are optional here. So if we are not providing the value of access specifier, then by default our method scope is default. Now here int is a return type for our method, that is, this method should return a value of integer type, and this max is the name of our method. Now here you can see that this is a parameter list inside parenthesis. These are also known as parameters or arguments of method. So we have discussed about method header. Now the code which is present inside the braces is known as method body, and here you can see the return statement which is returning the value of integer type. Now let us discuss about the rules for method overloading in Java. So first one is related to method name. For all the methods which we are overloading in our class, their method name should be same. Second is related to argument type. When we are overloading multiple methods, then argument type should be different. Third one is related to return type. For method overloading, there is no restriction of return type, that is, different method can return different values. And the last one is related to access modifier. In this method we have used public access specifier. For method overloading there is no restriction of access specifier and it can be public, private, protected or default. Now let us move on to our next topic, that is ways of method overloading in Java. There are multiple ways by the help of which we can achieve method overloading in Java programming language. So method can be overloaded in Java by changing the number of arguments. Second, by changing the data type of arguments. And third one is by changing the order of arguments. So let us try to understand different ways of method overloading by the help of Java program.